That
see
one
the continent.
is beef
Went to
tongue. This one is a heart or liver.
Yeah, there is.
It's a liver. What is it?
I think it's the heart.
Cow. It's a liver and then the heart over there. Oh my god.
How about the heart? I've never put animal heart.
That one. Look at that. Got lots of choices. That one, Freya, is an internal organ. And look, Freya. It's a pork face. They remove the skin, the thing, and the tail of the pork. The sail as well.
Look at
Or
blood.
the baby fish. This is a bird. Cordonus hen. That's a rabbit. 8.55 a kilo. Rabbit. And that one is it's a duck. 9.59. It's a yeah. You can buy. Here they are, Freya, but they don't have fit enough, Freya. We can buy that one, Freya. 4.49 a kilo. We can ask Daddy to buy one. Okay, enough.